Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is PriyankkaDadwal. As promised, I am back with another room tour of Aarohi Starz Club in Spa. So let's go inside the room and check out how it looks. So guys, as you can see, when we enter the room, on the left side near the door itself, there's a bathroom with all the basic amenities and toiletries. This is how it looks. Looks pretty good, isn't it? The room has got cupboards with enough storage for your luggage, and there is also a safe provided to keep your valuables. Oh wow, the bed seems to be very comfortable. I'm sure I'm gonna get the best possible sleep on it. And see, enough set of pillows are also provided. Hey, I completely forgot to tell you one thing. That is, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications on all my videos. There is also a small workspace here and sitting area inside the room. There is a attached balcony in the room, and as you can see, there's enough sitting space also where you can sit and enjoy the sunset and sunrise view and savor your tea and coffee with your loved ones. From the balcony, you get the view of swimming pool and garden. So guys, this is the premium room category of Aarohi Starz Club and Spa, where we are gonna spend our next 2 days to celebrate the Christmas of 2021. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if yes, then please press like and share your valuable comments in the comment section. It's me, PriyankkaDadwal, saying ciao for now, with a promise to come back with another exciting video for you all. Till then, keep following me and share some love.